to the royal. I carry out my duties with humility.
See, what is wrong with you, sir?
Is
it that you don't reason? I want to know, is it that you don't, this your head, you don't use it well? Eh? See, David, I've told you, see this palace, eh? Take it easy with this palace. Why? This palace is not a place you stand with your two legs, so. It's one leg. You don't hear me. What is wrong with you now? Eh?
Wait, you this man, yeah? What are you doing here?
See, I am here to sympathize with you. You will soon lose your job, oh. You see this small job that you're just managing. You want to just lose it for nothing. David.
Wait, so is it a crime to help?
Help her. Help? Who did you help?
The princess asked me to get palm wine for her. I contacted Amaka. You know her father is the best.
Why won't her father be the best for you? Contractor. Why won't her father be the best for you? The way the girl was even mentioning your name, I know there is something between...
Just hold it right there. Hold it right there, I beg. What is the problem? My friend, leave this place. Leave this place.
I should leave this place?
Papa.
Okay, no problem. When it will happen, I will still you. When they will tell you leave, I will be the one to carry your bag and help you and shout this leave this place. You will see it.
Who will tell me to leave?
Okay.
Everybody knows that I'm a very disciplined driver. Not like you. You not stay to your
Amaka?
Papa.
Bian? Oh. Bian, sit down. Why is your face like this? Didn't they pay you?
Papa, they paid me.
What is happening?
The prince humiliated me and used all kind words. And he asked me out of the palace.
What did he say to you?
Papa, the prince said it's an abomination. Hello. The taboo for a woman to be doing palm wine business. I tried to explain to him that I'm only helping my father out with sales. It's my father that is doing the tapping. But he didn't even let me explain myself.
It's okay. How did the princess react?
But she was on my side, but she couldn't do much.
Okay. But she paid you?
Yes, she paid me.
The downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Let me advise you. Pay more attention to the positivity of the people that loves you. Huh? Forget the haters. It should be okay. Huh? Cheer up.
Yes, Papa.
Yes.
You're right. The most important thing is that we have a lot of people who love and appreciate us.
Yes.
And they even enjoy our sweet nkwenu.
That's the spirit. Here go.
Hey, Papa, here is the money that the princess gave.
Okay, one. I had the money. Now lose the body. Oh?
Thank you, Papa.
This prince here. I don't know what to tell. I don't know what to tell.
My princess, you sent for me.
Yes. I don't really do this, but I want to make an exception. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm deeply sorry.
Princess, I'm very confused. What are you sorry about?
I'm sorry about the way my brother spoke to the girl you contracted. I feel for her and I'd like to appreciate her. So, help me give this money to her for all the troubles. Tell her that I'm so sorry.
Wow. You see, this is why I always call you my best. And Princess, I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much.
It's all right. It's all right. Also tell her to supply us more fresh, sweet palm wine when the one we have finishes.
Okay,
Okay?
I'll do that. I'll do that.
All right. You're happy?
Of course I'm happy. Thank you, my princess. Enjoy your drink.
Thank you.
What is happening today?
I don't understand, my king.
Your worried countenance perturbs me. Not after settling disputes amongst your children. What is the problem?
I have every reason to worry.
Here you go again. What about that?
It's not about your inability to perform your manly duty in matrimony.
Watch it! Watch it! Why are you here?
I don't really like the relationship between that driver, David, with our daughter. I don't like it.
And what is wrong with that?
Everything. She seems rather closer to that boy than every other man. Even her brother is not even as close to her as that boy.
But have you been able to figure this out? Maybe she doesn't feel better around her brother and his men. Maybe that was why she picked solace in David. Have you figured that out?
My king, are you in any way supporting that they should have something more than a driver and a princess relationship?
You know I wouldn't want that for my daughter. But all the same, my queen, take it easy on her.
My king will have to watch out for her.
Your Majesty,
Why are you coming to clean here right now?
I was busy cleaning other rooms, Your Majesty.
Then do that fast and get out of here.
Okay.
She doesn't even know where to channel her observations to.
My king, I have paid for the hotel room as you requested.
There will be no need for that now. My wife is observing too much, but not to worry. I'll figure it out. I will.
Are you sure?
Leave my presence.
Okay.
Almighty Prince Edochie Agumba, please, I'd like to be left alone. I am not cut out for your troubles.
Look, I'm really sorry for the way I reacted. I really didn't need to do that.
I'm dazed. As a matter of fact, this is the first time I'm ever hearing you say sorry.
I still wish to meet the girl and apologize to her. Wow, this is the new me.
Interesting. But I don't think that would be necessary. It's okay, and I appreciate this new you.
Well, I hope you will replicate this new method and know how best to treat others.
What exactly are you talking about?
I mean, I saw the way you spoke to Jude the other day. And up till now, you barely talk about him.
Is this why you apologized?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry still, okay?
It's okay. Apology accepted.
Good. Anyway, I'm heading out.
Alright.
I'll see you later.
Alright. Take care of yourself.
You too.
Interesting.
Amaka? Oh, my friend, how are you now?
So David, you expect me to say I'm fine after the humiliation that the prince gave to me, right?
That's exactly why I was going to your house. Yes.
Going to my house? In a royal car?
Yes. Amaka, wait. Yeah.
Thank you.
The princess said I should apologize to you for what has happened and I should give you this money.
The princess?
Yes.
Said you should give me all this money?
Yes.
I never knew the princess could be this nice to support me against her brother and still give me this money.
Yes.
Please, tell her I said thank you very much. I appreciate, but I don't want.
No, the princess would not be happy if you reject this amount. Please take it.
Ha! David, keep it for yourself now.
God forbid I do that. The princess sent this money for you. Take it.
Thank you.
So where are you headed now?
I'm going to Owakwe, my father's debtor, to collect our money.
Okay. Well, he's in my direction towards the palace, so why don't you just come, let me give you a lift?
No, thank you.
Maka, come, let's go now. Why no again? Let's go, you are in my direction now.
But
what? Please enter this motor, I'll give you a lift.
David.
My friend, we'll get down from that car. So this is how you go about the village, carrying girls in my family's car?
No, my prince.
No what? No what?
Oh, my prince.
One more word from you again, I'll kill you. Same idiot that insulted me is touring around the village in my family's car.
No, my prince, it was...
Where's the car key? Give me the car. Give me the car key. I should kill you. If I hear one more word from you again, are you still standing there? I just still standing there. Sorry, my friend. You.
David, how are you? Hope he did not injure you.
No, he did not.
Are you sure?
No, I'm fine.
This prince is very, very arrogant.
I don't understand.
Sorry.
Hey.
I'm sorry. Okay. David, please, you need to stop worrying yourself about what just happened.
It's okay.
I believe the prince felt maybe you were posing around with the car and trying to take advantage of me.
Oh, no, but He's one of those who are applauded for being a disciplined driver.
Then, why in God's name did he slap you?
I don't know. That is what I don't know. Huh? You know what? Maybe I have to hurry to the palace. Yes.
David, please. Promise me you'll be safe.
I'll be safe. Okay?
Just take care of yourself, okay?
Okay, let me run. Alright.
I am only but a servant to the royal home. Yeah. I carry out my duties with humility. As a good son, that they respect everybody. And that they serve everybody. But they say that I too they carry shoulder. And they say I they cross the boundary. But every day, Aqua moka no. Jay, man again they come me no. Eji ajunu manu. Hey, cause every day, moka no. Ay, man again they come messing no. Eji ajunu manu. Ah. Hey, I am only but a servant to the royal.
Where is David?
I never knew that fool could be so stupid to be carrying dirty, smelly girls in your car.
Are you serious? You mean you saw him with dirty girls in my car?
I caught the fool with girls in your car. He was lying to them, telling them how rich he is and how he owns this car before I collected the car.
Are you serious? I'm oddly disappointed. How could he? He better... How are you? He better come back to this house with a cogent reason. Else.
Oh, he's so losing this job. There's no two ways about it. He's so losing this job.
David.
What nonsense?
I trusted this guy with everything. I mean, everything. How could he? I can't even believe my ears.
You trusted him with everything. Everything!
Not more than the way someone should trust a royal driver. Do you get it now?
Oh, that's better. Because I was beginning to think something else.
Better not.
We'll put a post for a new driver. He's so losing that job.
What is going on? I am more like a stranger in my own home. My husband doesn't touch me. My daughter is not talking about any man. Neither is my son talking about bringing a girl home. And everyone acts like it's normal for Uju to feel I should have David warm my bed. She must be thinking my husband is doing the same with... No way. He doesn't act like it. But Agomba was a smooth operator during our youthful age.
Wait here, come here. Come and stay here. I told you. Shebi, the hunter has been hunted now. Oh, where? David, I've always been telling you, you have no future in this palace. Look at this building. Look at it very well. You have no future here.
What is your problem? Eh? Don't allow me to transfer my aggression on you now.
Don't transfer, my brother. Don't worry. You see aggression. Aggression is waiting for you inside this palace once you get there. Look at a common driver, ordinary driver without a license like you. The prince caught you with a girl. It's over. Go. Once you enter there, your circulator is waiting at the first table, the first small table. Go there.
Circulator. You are mad.
Go there, go and pick your circulator. Mugu. Come here, sir. Let me even confirm if you are allowed to go inside first. Come here. Mpama. Misbehaving anyhow.
David, I'm oddly disappointed.
could you? So you're not to be trusted. I trusted you with everything. How could you, David?
I just don't know why the prince hates me so much in this palace.
Bring down your voice. How dare you speak to me in such manner? Have you lost it? Have you forgotten your place in this palace as just a common royal driver? How dare you?
So you still have the guts to show your ugly rat face here after what you did? Huh?
I did not do anything. You just didn't give me the chance to explain myself.
Explain what exactly?
You know what? Let me speak to mom first before I unleash my special brand of anger on you.
You see. My princess, please. If only you can hear me out and believe me, I'll be grateful.
So you mean you were just giving the palm wine seller a lift?
Exactly. Exactly, my princess. At that, even if you notice she was the one. Before I could say Jack Robertson, a slap hit my face.
It's fine, I'm so sorry about that. I'll handle it.
Please, my princess, I don't want to lose my job.
Don't kneel for me. I'm not God. And who says you will lose your job? Don't worry, like I said, I'll handle it. Excuse me.
Mom, what is this I hear about your driver fornicking with village girls and using your car for your purpose?
I'm so sorry, Mom. Prince Edochie misunderstood him and blew the whole thing out of proportion.
What rubbish misunderstanding are you talking about? I saw them in a compromising position while driving.
Are you by any chance saying that your brother is lying?
Mom, the same girl we're talking about is the same palm wine seller. I only asked David to meet with her, give her some money and ask her to get some palm wine for me. That's it.
Then what was she doing in your car?
Is there something you're not telling me about that boy? Even when your brother saw him and dealt with him, you still defend him.
Mom, I doubt if there's anything to hide here other than the fact that...
Please.
You know, it's your cross. I should regret looking out for you.
Thank you for looking out for me. But it's no biggie. I can do the same for you. I love you, Mommy.
Love you too, princess. Let's go.
I can't believe her.
Anyway, just let her be. She's an adult.
Where's that stupid idiot? Hey! Come here!
My prince. My prince, I'm sorry. It's not what you think.
How come you know what I think?
My prince, it was a princess who sent me to visit her. And afterwards, since she was going my direction, that's how I decided to give her a lift.
Oh, you even know the house of that road fool?
Yes, my prince.
That means she's your girlfriend.
No, she's not my girlfriend, my prince. No, we are very good friends. And I recommended her father's palm wine. She's not. We are not.
I want to see her father.
I will take you there at any time you wish, my prince.
Sure she's not your girlfriend?
No, she's not.
Hey, I am only but a servant to the royal home. Yeah, I carry out my duties with humility. As a good son, that they respect everybody and that they serve everybody. But they say that I too they carry shoulder, and they say
sorry now. I was busy at home. Please. Eh? Okay, now let's go. Go where? Did you check your time? Sorry. Anyway, I'm just coming from there. Okay. Then, why are you sad? Didn't you see the person? Good though. I don't know. I'm just very, very worried. Worried? Yes. I went there. On my way back, you know, my friend, the one that works with the princess. So he offered to drop me. Okay. On our way. We saw that arrogant prince. You need to see the way he embarrassed I and David. You need to see what he did to David. He even pushed him out of the car. I'm just scared. I'm worried because I don't want anything to happen to David. I don't want him to lose his job. Amaka, I think you should go to the palace and clear things up. Maybe they think that the both of you are dating. You're right though, but everybody knows that I don't have anything to do with David. Yeah, but still, you have to go. Okay, you're right, but on another note, Akudo, I think it's better I wait for him. Let him come and visit me so I will know the situation of things. I don't want to go there now. I will implicate him the more. Okay. No problem, if you say so. Amaka, for that our prince is too cute. Mama, he's very handsome. Akudo, now I know you don't have sense. How can you say that guy is cute? Our prince, that is very, very arrogant. Please, he's just too pompous for my liking. I don't like him. So, is the driver that you like? Akudo. We know that I don't have anything to do with David. David is just my friend. So what are you saying? Where is that coming from? Nothing, no. Because what I see is beyond friendship. I think he likes you. Tinker. And even you that is talking. I know you love him. Sorry. I'll be going home, See you later. Bye-bye. I don't know what you is talking about.
They say I be crossing boundary, but every day, Aquamoka no. Nana get me from
My pretty princess, my gorgeous, as beautiful as her mother, the royalty herself.
Mom, what's going on? Why are you showering me with all this praises?
Okay, before I tell you that, I just want you to be honest with me. What is it that you find so special in that driver that constantly makes you defend him?
Nothing, Mom. I just want to stand on the path of truth. That's all.
And I should believe that there's nothing romantically attached to it.
Oh, no. How could you, Mom? No. I mean, he's just an ordinary driver. We're not even in the same league. He can't even ask me out. He doesn't have the courage to do that. So you have nothing to worry yourself about.
Better, because I know I didn't give birth to a low life.
Mom, listen. Any day he makes any sign that instigates he wants me or he wants to ask me out, I will definitely fire him, and that's fine now.
Better.
So
That's my kettle. Oh, absolutely.
So how's it been? This wine is so...
You like it? You want more?
Of course.
Don't finish my wine. So, what's good?
Everything.
Mama, for the food though.
I know you enjoyed it.
Ah, as usual.
So, David, how is the palace?
The palace.
Yes.
Things are not fine, no. Things are not fine at all, ma. Eh? I think the prince has a special spot in his hit book for me.
Hey.
Yes.
Did you offend him in any way?
Not at all. Never. Never. I just feel as if he doesn't want me in the palace anymore.
Jesus. So what is the king doing about it?
That one. What will you do about it now? He doesn't want to affiliate himself with an outsider. After all, Dochi is his son. He gets away with anything he does.
My son, you have to concentrate more on your work. Oh?
Yeah, Mama.
Yes, focus more on your work. Or do you want to be jobless?
For what now? No, I don't want to. It's not...
David. Good morning. Amaka,
what is going
you're
on
welcome. You're welcome, my son. This girl, she has been doing it all this while. Oh.
Ma, what is going on here?
I'm telling you, she doesn't allow me lack water at all.
Amaka?
Yes, she's a nice girl. Hey! She's too much.
So she always bring you water?
Steady. Steady. Amaka, where?
Mama.
And
Mama, I'm hurrying home now.
Thank you so much, my daughter. Oh, may God bless you.
Amen.
May God reward you with good man of your choice.
Amen.
So nice. Oh,
Mama,
thank you once again. Oh,
David, how is work? Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Amaka,
Mama,
bye-bye. Oh. Hey. David. You have to start thinking of getting married.
Mama, you don't start with this marriage thing again. Wait. I have to run back to the palace. Thank you for
So fast?
Mama, I have to go. Did I leave my key?
You left me wondering the other day.
About what, my queen?
About greasing my engine by that boy called David.
My queen, I thought you want to leave it to knock. Kotake. Please get serious. Hey, so tell me, have you considered yet?
It's not about considering. In as much as I like him,
Okay.
but I still have this belief that my daughter likes him as well.
That cannot be possible. Your daughter is a princess and she cannot bring herself low to a common driver, a commoner. No, now, except she wants to use him as her toy.
Okay. So you expect me to be dragging him with her?
My friend, I never asked you to drag anybody. All you have to do is to use divide and rule system and win. That's all.
Divide and rule.
System.
How?
Okay. Let me tell you something.
Hey, I am only but a servant to the royal home. Yeah, I carry out my duties with humility. As a good son, that they respect everybody and that they serve everybody. But they say that I too they carry shoulder and they say I they cross the boundary. Yeah. But every day, Aquamoka no. Jay, man, I get like a mequalano, it's a gentleman. Hey, cause every day, Moka no. Hey, man, I get like a
Greetings to this household. Greetings to the prince that despised my daughter for selling palm wine. Yes.
That is far from the truth. You see, I, Prince Edochie, might have created a wrong impression. But the truth remains that I respect the pride and courage of your daughter, who places the interests of her family above her youthful fanfare, unlike some other girls out there.
I can't quite understand that.
You see, you have a very good daughter. Other girls her age would prefer the easy life rather than helping their parents to make an honest living.
Indeed, my prince. The gods have blessed your young shoulders with wisdom.
Thank you, sir. I am flattered.
Please, let me get you a chair for you.
No, I can't sit here, obviously.
Oh, you cannot come to my house and stand. I'm coming and bring chair. Hold on.
I was sick worried you could lose your job after.
The princess was my saving grace. She actually told them she sent me to you.
Oh, you're telling me the truth? That's so very thoughtful of her. Thank God. Thank God the princess is very, very smart to know that the brother lied.
She believes in me.
She does?
Yes. And as for that moment, that was all that mattered to me.
Hey. God bless her. But, David, is there something you did to the prince that is making him treat you like this?
Me? Not at all. Oh. Nothing. I've never done anything to that prince. Oh. I don't understand why he hates me this much.
It is sure.
I'm very sure. I think it all started from the day you came to the palace. Maybe, yes.
How? I don't understand. What do you mean?
I even mean I don't understand. I don't know why he hates me so much. That is what I don't get. It's okay. Anyways, sorry I couldn't drop you off like I promised. Huh?
David, I should be the one apologizing to you for putting you in trouble. I would have just, entered a bike or something.
A bike?
Mm-hmm.
Why now? Why will you enter a bike when you saw me in an empty car? Why? It's not your fault. It is not your fault. But I need to find out what is it I have done to this prince that he hates me so much. What have I done to him?
Please do.
Oh. See. Did you see the mark?
Hey.
Yes.
Sorry.
My prince, please sit down. Sit down.
Well, if you insist.
I insist. One more thing. You cannot come to this house without testing my wine. I'm coming.
The great palm wine tapper himself.
All more. My prince, you are welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Tradition demands.
Yes.
This is fresh.
Thank you so much. My prince, from this my little conversation with you, I am convinced that this kingdom is in safe hands.
Oh, thank you, Mazi. Your palm wine speaks volume of how close you are to good things.
Yeah, I heard you, madam.
Well, I have to take my leave now. But please, help me talk to your daughter. Tell her to change her perception about me. I don't dislike her. On the contrary, I truly like her. Yes. Huh? You understand what I mean?
I do. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
It's okay. I'll be visiting from time to time.
Okay.
Please see me to the car. I have something for you. Yes. Please.
For me?
Yes.
Hey!
See you later.
Thank you so much.
Hey! Come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you coming from?
My queen, I went to see your friend.
A friend? It's like you have really forgotten your position in this palace. So you now keep a friend no one is aware of?
Oh, no, my queen, the princess knows her.
Oh! The princess knows your girlfriend?
No, she's not my girlfriend, my queen. She's a girl that I asked to supply the princess.
That same girl that stirs up issue in this palace?
Yes, my queen.
Now let me warn you. I don't want to see you around that girl again. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my queen.
Now get out.
I am only but a servant to the royal home. Yeah, I carry out my duties with humility.
Okosini kuku jafari o. Ewo ebo jera rari mayo fogeri o. Mama nana o.
Papa.
Oh, Mom.
Papa, you've been singing and singing and singing. You look so excited. What is it?
Amaka,
No.
today is a different day.
I can see it.
I had a royal visitor and he made my day.
Royal visitor?
Yes.
But Papa, we don't have any relation with royalty. Except David, my friend who comes to visit us.
Who is talking about a royal driver?
Papa, but you know David is my friend.
I know.
So who came to visit you?
Prince Edochie came here by himself.
Eh?
He came here himself.
Papa, wait. I hope he did not come here to insult you. Because I will not take it from him. I will give it to him back.
Teresha, this is his father's son with a truck of wisdom to share. Let me tell you. Edochie is a nice and kind man.
Eh?
He even gave me some money. For no just cause.
I don't believe it. Because the Edochie we both know goes about making troubles, causing troubles everywhere. Very arrogant prince.
Catch. Oh, you see, this is my bicycle. I will turn this bicycle to almost new one.
Papa, please, I'm not believing all these things you're saying. Not the Edochie that.
Hold on now. I'm your father. I'm not a drunk. There's no way I can tell you lies. Egbe.
You mean Prince Edochie gave you all this money?
Yes. I can't lie to you. I'm not a drunk. I'm your father. Believe me. Jamet no dey finish your way. 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 If you box me, I go box you. If you kick me, I go kick you. Curse me, I go curse you. Shake me, I go shake you. If you kick me, I go kick you. Box me, I go box you. Kick me, I go kick you. German no dey finish your way. German no dey finish your way.
Hey.
German no dey finish your way.
What is going on here? Are we celebrating?
German no dey finish your way.
You are not on duty today. Are you on leave?
My brother, I wish every day of my life can be like today. Today is the best day.
What happened?
What happened? The prince of our kingdom gave me enough money. Said I should enjoy myself, that there is no work for me today. That I'm on holiday for giving him information as regards that girl. You know that girl, the Pawantapa girl? I gave the prince a location where she lives now.
Are you sure he's not going there to make trouble? You know the prince detests that girl's job so much.
My brother, I don't think so. He looked cheerful before he left. He wasn't angry. We are the normal.
Let me join you in your merriment.
No.
Give me this thing. Give me. Hi.
Enjoyment no dey finish your way.
You can never finish it.
Enjoyment no dey finish your way.
What is this thing? I don't know who is blowing the horn. I beg, hold this thing, eh? You not give me drink, oh.
You say what?
You are drinking on duty. When they catch you, you just lose your job. Yeah.
Rebecca, come here. Why did it take you so long to open the gate?
I'm sorry, my prince.
You're sorry?
Yes, my prince.
Meanwhile, whenever you see that pine wine seller here, let me know.
The Pawang girl?
Yes.
Okay, my prince. Take cover.
Yes, who is it coming?
Greetings, my lord.
I have not sent for your presents yet. Why are you here?
My prince, I have to rush down to your room as soon as I saw that the coast was clear.
You were supposed to wait for my instruction.
My prince, you've not invited me to your room for some time now. And I wonder if you still find me attractive as your favorite.
My father feels I'm no longer paying attention to the things of the kingdom. And that alone is my priority.
But my prince...
Get out. If I need you, I will send for you. And if you push further, I may never need you again.
I'm sorry, man.
Get out!
I'm sorry.
Oh, Esther, you need to think fast. You need to think fast. It's my only opportunity of becoming royalty, and nothing will stop.
And nothing will do what? Who is your only opportunity of becoming royalty?
My friend. My friend.
No, you are not stammering. Hold on. Esther, hold on. I want to get something right. So you've been playing hide and seek in this palace? No! Answer me!
I don't understand what you are talking about. Excuse me.
You don't understand what I'm... My friend, come back.
Why did you touch me back? 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 Eh? Why did you touch me back? Okay.
This getting old. I think I have to buy another one with this my money.
Papa. Papa.
Go on.
Papa, don't worry, this is not old yet. It's still very fresh. Don't need to waste your money.
Yeah, but I have some money. Amaka.
Papa.
You see, you've been a source of joy and consolation to me since the demise of your mother.
Papa, you know you've been a blessing to me. And I'm happy to call you my father.
And that is why I want you to be happy for the rest of your life.
With you, I will always be happy. Papa, but why are you saying all these things to me? I'm very, very curious.
Amaka, I want you to aim the royal home.
Aim the royal home?
Yes.
How? I don't understand, Papa.
Prince Edochie did not just come here for us to talk.
So why did he come here?
He is in love with you. I'm telling you the truth. Yes.
It's been ages. I witnessed maids fight in my palace to the extent of constituting nuisance here. What is the problem?
My king, the best thing to do is to send them out of this palace immediately.
That decision must be made by me after I find either of them guilty.
Now tell me, what was the cause of your fight?
My queen, I tried finding out who she was referring as her.
Shut it! No reason is enough to desecrate my palace. No reason. You want to turn my palace to a wrestling ground? Both of you must be punished for doing this. Get out of my sight.
How are you doing, David?
My queen, I'm fine. I'm doing very well.
That's good. I like it when you call me that. My queen. I need you to take me somewhere for a meeting.
My queen, the princess might be needing me to go somewhere.
What nonsense! Will you get ready and take me somewhere before I change my mind? I get your sack later already. Are you okay?
Yes, my queen. Let me take your shoes.
Be fast about that.
Come. Have you entered the Queen's bad book again?
No, not at all. She only needs me to take her somewhere for some meeting like that.
You, as expert driver, or as the only driver in the palace, I don't understand. My friend, go outside and see your girlfriend. Don't know what you're saying.
My girlfriend?
Yeah.
Do I have a girlfriend?
Do you look like someone that doesn't have a girlfriend? Go outside and see Amaka and you are talking nonsense.
Oh, wait. Amaka is here. Where is she?
She's on the throne. In fact, the elders are gathered. She will soon give her verdict. My friend, go outside and see your girlfriend. Where is she? Come and see her. She's seated beside the Igwe.
Hey, I am only but a servant to the royal. Yeah, I carry out my duties with humility.